I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious avocado nigiri, an easy and satisfying plant-based treat. First, let's get our sushi rice ready. Rinse 1 cup of sushi rice thoroughly under cold water until the water runs clear. Then, cook it according to the package instructions. Once cooked, gently fold in 2 tablespoons of rice vinegar to season it perfectly. This seasoned rice forms the foundation of our nigiri. Now let's prepare our star ingredient, the avocado. Select a ripe yet firm avocado. This ensures it holds its shape well. Carefully halve it, remove the large pit, and then peel away the skin. Slice the avocado into thin, uniform pieces, aiming for about 1/8 of an inch in thickness. These consistent slices will make your nigiri look professional and taste wonderful. With our rice and avocado ready, it's time to shape the nigiri. First, lightly moisten your hands with water to prevent the sticky rice from adhering. Take a small, oval-shaped portion of the seasoned sushi rice, roughly the size of a golf ball. Gently press and mold it into a compact, elongated form, about 2 inches long. This will be the perfect base for our avocado. Finally, let's bring it all together. Take one of your perfectly sliced avocado pieces and gently place it on top of a shaped rice base. Lightly press the avocado onto the rice to ensure it adheres well. Your beautiful avocado nigiri is now complete. Serve it immediately with a side of soy sauce for dipping. For an extra touch, you can sprinkle a few sesame seeds on top. Enjoy your homemade creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.